Are you a business owner who's overwhelmed by all the information we have these days about AI and thinking, well, how can you integrate it in your marketing and what can you do to be noticed? If you are, and if you want to learn more, I'm inviting you to this in-person workshop called Digital Marketing 2024, AI Included. This is a hands-on workshop where you're gonna learn tips and hands-on strategies on how to use marketing and AI to your advantage. So what's so special about the in-person workshop is that it's a small workshop, and we help you if you get stuck. And also we offer 30-day email support after the workshop is done, just to make sure you succeed. Thank you. Hope I see you there.